It's way easier to make money in crypto than you think. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto X. Tonight I want to talk to you guys about something about making money in crypto. I know a lot of you guys, that's your goal. Some of you care about the philosophies of decentralization like I do, but we all like to make money. Nobody likes to lose money. People like to generate income based off of what they're interested in or they're putting their time or their effort into. And so the fact is, there's an easy way to make money in crypto that has been time tested, not just in the crypto markets, but in the regular markets. And I want to give you guys an example of the power of this strategy. And today we're talking about DCAing, of course, dollar cost averaging. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a little tip, something that you should draw out of this video without me having to just tell you. So pay attention to this video, and at the end, see if you caught the lesson that's within this. So let's say back in 2013, you had heard of XRP, which was a very rare opportunity. Not a lot of people had. I was in crypto and I had not heard of it. And so if you had caught XRP back then, and let's just say in 2013, I bought Bitcoin in 2012, so these things were possible. And I know a lot of you guys are like, yeah, I wish I was there then. Well, pay attention, because we're going to show you how you can apply this. So if you had taken $100, also known as 100 bones, I don't know who calls it that, but I think they do. Anyways, if you had put $100 in XRP every single week since 2013, you would have invested about $54,000. How much money would you have? A, $12. B, $1.44 million. Or C, $1 zillion. That's right, guys, 1.44 million. You guys are genius. How did you guys know that it was B? Wow, amazing. You guys are very smart. So the fact is this, is that if you put $100, you would have $1.44 million. It's an insane number to think about investing $54,000 and getting that kind of return. However, there is a caveat. Because if you had cashed out 2018, you would cash out a cool $5.3 million for $27,000 invested. So if you had bought at the top and you had spent about $27,000, you would have about nothing. You'd have very, very, very little money. And that is kind of the crux of the issue with crypto. It's, can you take the money out at the right time? And it's hard to do. I have a problem with it, and I've been in this game for 12 years now. So here's the thing. You're dollar cost averaging, you're making money. If you had continued to dollar cost average into XRP from the top, you'd actually be down. So what's the lesson there? Well, the lesson is you got to take profits as you go and don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Certainly, we don't want to have what we call diamond hands. Okay, diamond hands is a stupid concept. We want strong hands. We don't want diamond hands, okay? We want hands that are strong enough to hold during a dip, to hold during a falling knife, so you don't get out at the wrong time when it bounces. So we're talking about investments, not trading. But the fact is you don't want to hold forever. XRP is not going, well, it is the standard, right? XRP is the standard. But XRP is not going to be the currency of the world. It's going to be the currency of the banks and the international settlements. But we're not going to be using XRP every day, I don't believe, in our day-to-day lives or anything like that. So at some point, you have to cash out. Make sure you're doing it at an opportune time is what I would say. But here's the thing, guys. We're talking about dollar cost averaging. If you had found XRP in the very beginning, 2013, you put $100 in a month, you now would have $1.44 million, right? But here's the thing. How in the world would you have found XRP in 2013? Well, it would have been through digging and research. And here's your lesson, guys. This is the lesson from today's video. The lesson is be early. Be early to these coins. And when it comes to these coins and these types of investments, there's so much at stake. And one thing that you can definitely find at stake is fun, games, chat, and more, because it is the world's largest social casino. That's right, guys. You can buy gold coins. They're digital versions of assets. Don't you guys love that? If you do, make sure to check out the QR code on the screen or the link in the description, because the Ben Armstrong Crypto X show is powered by staking. So here's the thing, guys. Finding coins early to dollar cost average into can lead to explosive gains over time. Now, of course, there is a time limit to that. You don't want to hold it forever. But I want to give you guys a coin today that Cassie found. And she's been telling me about it for, I don't know, maybe a month or two. And she's given me a lot of great picks. Sui, that's from Cassie. She loves Sui. Solana, she tried to talk me out of getting out of it at some point. But she has a lot of these smaller projects she likes that are on different chains. And this coin is called Zeta Chain. And this is one that she told me about, and it's its own chain. I pay a lot of attention to these Solana picks and Sui picks and things like that. So this is its own chain. It's the layer one. I was like, maybe it's not that big of a deal. Then this morning, what do I get? Get an email from blockchain.com telling me that their wallet is now going to hold Zeta. And I was like, God, this thing just launched. I said, Cassie, have you seen the Zeta? She said, yeah, it was up like 15% today. And Cassie does have a bag of it. I think she has like maybe, I don't know, $7,000 worth she bought or something. It's not a huge amount of money or anything like that. I want you guys to understand, this is not a shill. I don't own any personally. I wish I had bought some, and I didn't. Just never talked to those people. It's not a promotion. We don't do promotions for coins. But I just want to be very clear about this to let you guys know. You see, this is the difference between someone like myself who goes and researches and finds coins and tells you, check out this project. It is a multi-chain project. It's actually really cool. We did research and we found it. We didn't invest in a private sale like Rand from Crypto Banner does. All of the coins that he gives you are coins he invested in early. We got this one like everybody else, every other Joe Blow on the street. So just want you guys to understand, I'm not telling you go buy Zeta. Okay, I'm not telling you that. I'm not telling you to go put money in it. But what I am telling you is projects like this that pop up that have big funding behind them. Jane Street Capital is behind them. A ton of different large companies and large funds, large VCs. This is probably going to be a very legit project. You find that stuff and you say, man, this is a really good project. It's got big backers. I like the tech. It's already got exchange listings coming. This is the kind of project that you look at and say, okay, this one's going to make it. This is not going to be something like Satoshi VM or Ape Terminal. They were destined to be scams from the beginning. Look, you got to dig to find the diamonds. But remember, have strong hands, not diamond hands. You don't want to hold forever. That don't make any sense. Now, Bitcoin, you could consider holding forever because it's probably going to be the currency of the world. At some point, it's a little different than some of these, private sale investments and things like that. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I am in Las Vegas right now, as you guys can see. Somebody attacked me. You said you're losing money in Las Vegas. Guys, first of all, Las Vegas is one of the cheapest places to come. Second of all, we're on a layover. We're on our way to Idaho tomorrow for Cassie's, to handle Cassie's dad's arrangements as he passed away unexpectedly last week. So it's a very sad situation. We're not out here partying. We're out here on a layover. It's been one night here, and then we're going to go there tomorrow. So love all you guys. Appreciate you. I'm missing the show. Missing you guys. But, you guys make some comments. Comments are cool. All right, guys. That's all I got. Be blessed.